Is within arm's reach. Did want to show you this, though, that excessive heat warning now extending for portions of New Jersey, now including most of Essex, Hudson, Bergen, parts of Passaic County, where your heat index is going to be upwards of 107 degrees. Now, the city under the heat advisory, along with Long Island, Westchester, parts of the Jersey Shore, most of the region under that advisory, where it's still going to feel like it's within the we do have some shower storms coming in. Look what it does. We're at 97. It feels like it's 7 p.m. and then by 9 p.m. we're in the 70s. So a big time drop with these temperatures. We have mainly clear skies that are out there, some storms that rolled through overnight, and we're looking at the potential for strong to severe weather for this afternoon. So we'll break down the extended forecast. Just know
brand new process weren't complicated enough. Vanessa, John, good morning. The Board of Elections is scrambling to correct a massive miscalculation in yesterday's ranked choice voting results when 135,000 test ballots were accidentally counted. Yesterday's results initially showed that Eric Adams had a
triple digits in spots, so you have to be careful, hydrate, and limit that outdoor time. Also want to remind you, especially when you have weather and temperatures like this, car safety, reminding you not to leave any pets or children in the car. When the sun beats down on these cars and your outside temperature 95 degrees comes in as shortwave radiation.
Imagine it's the last day of June.
It's incredible.
Yeah, well, it certainly feels like about July 1st anyway. Keep that AC cranked, everybody. We have another big day of heat and humidity to deal with.
7 degrees or so, and they extended that boundary. It's all the areas shaded in pink, so we're now including parts of Morris, Essex, Hudson, Bergen County, Passaic, stretched it a little bit further north, and the rest of the region pretty much under a heat advisory. Right now in New Jersey, 76 in Somerville, 82 in Newark. For the first time, Central Park, not the warmest spot on the map. We're at 81, so we lost a degree. 74 in Islip right now. It is very warm.
Your local election headquarters, and this morning there are more questions than answers in the race for New York City mayor. The Board of Elections says new numbers will be released after 135,000 ballots were accidentally added to results released yesterday. Pix 11's Katie Corretto is live at City Hall with more on what led to all the chaos. Good morning, Katie.
In the heat and just being careful when you can and however you can. So for the commute, we want to talk about that. So the crash on the Grand Central Parkway eastbound, this is new. This is right near the Clearview. A little bit of a slowdown, but he's overhead with the look now. Hey there, Mike. Good morning. 6:10 right now, so Route 21 southbound, you have some construction still going on at this time. So
we have team coverage of this heat. Meteorologist Byron Miranda's in the Weather Center. Kirsten Cole, she's live in Jersey City. We start out with Byron.
You know, Kirsten is in the right place because yesterday we were talking about temperatures getting up to 112 degrees in Jersey. Kirsten is in the right place because yesterday we were talking about temperatures getting
6:32 on the dot. We are checking in on Route 109 in Elizabeth. Mentioned this crash earlier involving a truck. For the morning rush, you could say. Hey there, Mike. Another holiday weekend be with some clouds and rain. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the commute. So Throgs Neck Bridge, as you know, it has that new road layout, that construction, so you are seeing a delay coming out of the Bronx and trying to slowly make your way into Queens. So the obvious choice, the easiest way around it, would be to take the Whitestone Bridge instead. And that, fingers crossed for this holiday weekend coming up. We have a live look at the Maricopa Bridge, so we have this incident happening over here. Not exactly sure what it is, if it's a crash or just a disabled truck or if they're setting up for something. So we are watching a pedestrian that we know. What's the latest there?